The Smartportfolio-ai. When fund managers deal with massive financial updates every day, reading through paragraphs of market noise takes too long. So I built an AI microservice to solve it. I built Smartportfolio-ai, a modern full-stack web application. The front end uses React with TypeScript for a clean, type-safe dashboard. Instead of standard REST, I implemented an Express.js backend with an Apollo GraphQL API gateway. It routes payload requests to a Python FastAPI microservice hosting Hugging Face BART and Distill BERT models. When you paste in any fund market update, it runs through the AI pipeline in seconds, returning confidence scores, sentiment badges, and a concise summary.